Prepárate. Let me see you jump. Prepárate. Get ready. Get. Niña. Ahí vaya. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my March update for the rolling 5 pan that I am doing with my bestie Amanda. We just we wanted to have like a no pressure kind of project, and this is it. We've been doing this for over a year and I'm enjoying it. I am enjoying this quite a lot. All right, I do have an empty this month. This is the Ulta Beauty Matte Makeup Setting Spray. I do really like this a lot, and I actually have a couple more in my collection, so I don't need to repurchase that one. And let's see, I have my 4 products that I am rolling over. The first one is the Equate Beauty Oil-Free Eye Makeup Remover. I was at this line last time, now I am down here. I love this stuff. It is super cheap and it works really well for me, so highly recommend that one. This is the Arctec Texture Line Material Pliable Mattifying Paste. That is a tongue twister. And this is made by L'Oreal. And I have used some. Not a ton, but I have used some. So I'm just going to keep on working on that. This one's going to take a while. This one is one that I added in last time. This is the Profusion Eyes eyeshadow. It's just in a deep teal. I don't remember what the color is. I had to press it in here just so that it would stick in my magnetic palette. And I'm making a little bit of progress on it. Nothing amazing, but I am enjoying it quite a bit. And the other one that I'm rolling over is the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. Words. It was brand new when I brought it in, and now I am down to this line. I am pretty sure this will be done by the next update. It's probably going to be done this month, to be quite honest with you. All right, so I finished one thing. I do need to roll something new in. I am going to keep it simple and put in this Equate Beauty Charcoal Pore Strips for nose and face. The first time I tried this, I was not a big fan, but I am going to try it again. There's quite a few left in here. There should still be 6 nose and 6 face strips in here, and hopefully I can get them to work this time. If you guys have used these and you know the trick to making them actually stick to your face, let me know, because yeah, it felt like I was putting a sticker on and it wasn't really sticking to my skin. So I'm going to give it a try. Hopefully it will do something for me. All right, that is everything for this update, short and sweet. And I am going to have Amanda listed down in my description box. I'm going to have her face at the end of the video, so you can just click right on it and go to her channel and check out and see how she is doing with her products this month. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.